Hello guys, I have a box that came in the mail today. Show anything? Okay, I got it from Steven Anderson. Yeah, whatever. 8 pounds. It said 10 pounds on the label. But yeah, let me just get it open. Alright, there, now I can show the whole box. Holy fuck. What the fuck is this? Okay. I don't know if you guys know what it is already, but yeah. Ooh! Ooh, shiny! Alright, so I believe this is a hub. Quick release. And steering wheel. Leave that for last though. Open the hub first. Okay guys. Oh shit, heck that's shiny. Oh, it's greased. So it's greased, so it's not. Got the 110 for the Honda EG. Also works good for the Integras and all that. So I'll just put that aside. With my trusty steed. Okay, so I know how to open this. One second. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, there's a sticker. Oh, okay. It's just like auto products. Energy innovations. I have that already. I'll show you guys right now. I might get that locked soon. Release, I mean. Harnesses, seats, spacers. E-brake? Okay, e-brake. I don't know what the hell that is. Short ups. They have a lot more stuff than I thought. Harness bars, pedals, suspension. That's crazy. Shirts, hood dampeners, engine dampeners. That's cool. Race horn button. Like a strap. Floor mats, fender washers. That's new. Tow hook. I kind of like the tow hook. Lugs, extended lugs. Whatever. Let's get on with it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna read it. What is this? Oh, sweet. So it tells you the size and all the cars it works for. So I'm gonna just go over all that. See, the 110 is for the Civic, the Delso, Integra, Prelude, and the Accord, and those are the years. And then there's those. I'll just show all of them for people looking for the hub. Basically, the 170s for trucks and all that, GMCs. Okay. Trash. Get on my face. Oh wow, that's really good packaging. It has like a soft thing. I don't know what the hell it is. I have to take it out. Take it out, you need to take the quick release off. And I got everything in black. Sticker. Oh, okay, let's put that back. For the big boy. The big one. Let's see what's in there. Just me my room a big old fat man. Yes, I have a pink damn bed sheet. DMV papers. Brand new MacBook. Holy crap. Oh. You can't even see it. I don't know if you guys can't really tell, but it's suede. It's a suede feeling. Oh wow, that's nice. Pretty deep also. Oh, nice. It weighs like really light. That's a good. It weighs a good amount. Energy horn button. Shit. That's really nice. This whole thing came out to, yeah, there's no receipt, so I got it for $240. I also got an energy quick release lock. I'll show you that right now. I also got this. Energy quick release lock. I'll be doing a review on all of these soon. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you guys want. Give me input on videos I should do, etc. Thank you guys. Have a nice day and stay blessed.